Do you believe that one small bowl of black beans could be the secret to living nearly a century? In this video, you'll discover the astonishing longevity recipe, followed by a 97-year-old Chinese doctor who still walks, works, and smiles with the energy of someone half his age. His secret isn't an expensive supplement or modern medicine. It's a simple dish made from humble black beans. But these aren't just any beans. They're packed with nutrients that strengthen your heart, blood, kidneys, and even your skin. For decades, this doctor has shared his black bean method with patients, claiming it restores vitality and slows the body's natural aging clock. And now, I'm going to show you exactly how he prepares it, step by step. From the moment you soak these tiny black gems to the final stage where they transform into a powerful healing tonic, every step matters. So, stay with me until the end, because once you understand what this ancient recipe can do, you'll never look at black beans the same way again. To begin this ancient longevity recipe, you'll need one simple ingredient: black beans. Take a cup of them and spread them out on a flat plate. Look carefully and remove any that are cracked, wrinkled, or discolored. What's left are small, shiny black pearls filled with nutrients that can completely transform your health. Black beans are known in traditional Chinese medicine as a food that nourishes the kidneys and rejuvenates the body's life energy, or qi. Modern science agrees. They're packed with plant protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals that support the heart, improve digestion, and protect your body from aging. Now, place the beans in a large bowl and rinse them several times. Use your hands to gently rub away any surface dust or residue. When the water runs clear, you'll know they're clean. Next, add fresh water and let the beans soak for about 1 to 2 hours. This step softens them and begins to release some of their nutrients into the water. But here's the surprising part. Don't throw that dark soaking water away. In traditional healing, this black water is considered a powerful tonic that strengthens the kidneys and blood. It contains anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, which help fight inflammation and support healthy blood vessels. Some elderly people even drink a small cup of this water daily to keep their blood clean and their digestion smooth. After soaking, you'll notice the beans have expanded in size and softened slightly. Now it's time to roast them. Heat a clean, dry pan over medium-high flame. Once the pan is hot, pour in the beans. You'll immediately hear a soft sizzling sound. That's the moisture evaporating. Stir the beans continuously with a spoon or chopsticks so they roast evenly and don't burn. This process can take several minutes, but it's worth the patience. The roasting step enhances the flavor and activates the natural oils inside the beans, making them more digestible. Soon, you'll smell a warm, nutty aroma filling the air. This is the scent of healing food. If you want to follow the traditional method, roast the beans over a wood fire instead of a gas stove. The natural flame infuses the beans with what ancient doctors call yang energy, believed to boost internal warmth and vitality. Once the beans turn slightly dry and begin to crack, lower the heat and keep stirring for another few minutes. When you press one bean and it splits open easily, it's ready. Turn off the stove and let them cool naturally in the pan. While they cool, prepare a clean glass jar. Sterilize it with steam or hot water for at least 15 minutes to remove any bacteria, then dry it completely. Once dry, fill the jar about halfway with the roasted black beans. Now comes the most magical part. Pour in vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar or naturally fermented rice vinegar, but make sure it's of good quality. Pour enough vinegar to cover the beans completely, with about twice as much liquid as the beans. This is because they'll continue to expand as they soak. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for about a week. During this time, something incredible happens. The vinegar extracts the nutrients from the beans, while the beans absorb beneficial acids and enzymes from the vinegar. The result is a powerful medicinal food that doctors in Asia have used for centuries to lower cholesterol, improve blood pressure, and restore energy in aging bodies. After a week, when you open the jar, you'll notice the beans are now plump and glossy, floating in dark, rich vinegar. According to studies from Japan, black beans soaked in vinegar can significantly lower blood fat levels and reduce harmful cholesterol. They're full of healthy compounds like lecithin, linoleic acid, and glycinin, which help prevent artery blockages and improve blood flow to the heart and brain. Many people who eat just a few beans daily report better sleep, stronger memory, and improved digestion within a few weeks. In traditional Chinese medicine, this combination is said to nourish the blood and calm the spirit, helping the elderly maintain clarity and energy even in their later years. It's easy to consume. Just eat 9 beans in the morning and 9 at night before bed. If your stomach is sensitive, you can warm them slightly, or mix them with a bit of honey. This habit not only supports kidney and heart health, but also improves circulation and skin glow. Over time, you'll start noticing more restful sleep, fewer aches, and smoother digestion. The vinegar itself shouldn't be wasted either. It helps thin the blood, remove toxins, and restore normal circulation, reducing the risk of stroke or heart attack. Together, the beans and vinegar form a natural elixir of longevity. Simple, affordable, and remarkably effective. And the best part? You can make it right in your own kitchen. So stay tuned, because next, I'll show you exactly how to use this remedy to keep your body young, strong, and full of life. After 1 week, your black beans soaked in vinegar are ready to be used, and this is where the true transformation begins. When you open the jar, you'll immediately notice how the beans have doubled in size and turned deep brownish black, with a glossy shine. The aroma is slightly tangy, earthy, and rich. This is a sign that the vinegar has perfectly infused into the beans, extracting all the nutrients from within. In traditional Chinese medicine, these beans are known as longevity pearls because they strengthen the kidneys, nourish the blood, and enhance overall vitality. The 97-year-old doctor who shared this recipe said he's eaten these beans almost daily for more than 40 years. According to him, they not only preserved his strength and stamina, but also kept his mind sharp, his joints flexible, and his heart calm even at an advanced age. Let's look deeper into why this simple recipe works so powerfully. Black beans are rich in glycinin, a natural plant protein that helps lower LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. This means it directly supports heart and artery health, preventing blockages and improving blood circulation. Alongside this, the lecithin and linolenic acid inside black beans help clear excess fat from the bloodstream, reduce triglycerides, and prevent fatty buildup in the liver. That's why many people who consume black beans regularly notice better blood test results after just a few weeks. The anthocyanins, which give the beans their deep color, are also potent antioxidants that protect your cells from aging and oxidative stress. These compounds improve memory, protect eyesight, and even enhance skin tone. When combined with the mild acidity of vinegar, the nutrients become more bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs them faster and more efficiently. Vinegar itself is a powerful natural medicine. It helps dissolve stubborn fat, regulate blood sugar levels, and improve digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes. Together, black beans and vinegar create a synergistic effect, one that supports every major system of your body, from your heart to your brain. Research conducted by the Japan Institute of Biology confirmed that people who consumed black beans soaked in vinegar for 8 consecutive weeks saw a dramatic reduction in blood lipid levels. Another study on individuals with high blood pressure showed a noticeable drop in their systolic pressure within a month. These aren't just folk tales. Science now validates what ancient healers knew centuries ago. Now let's talk about how to take it. Every morning, eat 9 beans on an empty stomach. This gently wakes up your digestive system and stimulates blood flow. In the evening, around 9 to 9:30 p.m., eat another 9 beans before going to bed. This timing is important because it aligns with the body's natural detox cycle. During the night, your organs rest and repair. Eating these beans at night helps your kidneys and liver work more efficiently, cleansing your blood while you sleep. If your stomach feels sensitive, you can slightly warm the beans or mix them with a teaspoon of honey. Some people also add a few drops of the vinegar liquid to warm water and drink it before bed. It helps relax the body, improve sleep, and prevent midnight blood sugar spikes. But the magic doesn't stop there. Many elderly people who started this routine reported relief from joint stiffness, chronic fatigue, constipation, prostate problems, and even premature graying of hair. The nutrients in black beans nourish the roots of the hair and increase melanin production, helping restore natural color and shine. Women, in particular, notice softer, glowing skin and fewer wrinkles because the amino acids in black beans help the body build collagen naturally. For men, the improved circulation and kidney support can help restore vitality and stamina. Even if you don't have specific health issues, this tonic strengthens your overall system and helps you age gracefully, just like the 97-year-old doctor who inspired it. And remember, the vinegar liquid left in the jar is not waste, it's medicine. It's full of amino acids, enzymes, and antioxidants that clean the blood vessels, prevent clotting, and keep the arteries flexible. As we age, Dirty blood full of toxins and cholesterol tends to build up in our system, slowing circulation and increasing the risk of heart attack or stroke. Just 1 spoonful of this black vinegar tonic a day can help thin your blood naturally, improve oxygen delivery, and even support brain health. Some researchers suggest that regular use may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia by improving blood flow to the brain. That's why the elderly doctor calls it the youthful blood elixir. So now that you know the full process, it's your turn to experience this ancient remedy. Prepare a jar for yourself and make it part of your daily routine. Eat the beans morning and night, and use the vinegar to flavor your meals or take small sips daily. In just a few weeks, you'll start noticing subtle but powerful changes: more energy in the morning, better sleep at night, smoother digestion, and a renewed sense of vitality. It's amazing how something so simple, so natural, can have such profound effects. Don't wait for your health to decline to start taking care of it. Begin today with something as humble as black beans and vinegar. The secret to longevity isn't always in pills or expensive supplements. It's often in the wisdom of tradition and the power of nature. Try this remedy, observe the results, and share it with those you love. If you found this story inspiring, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family, and subscribe for more natural health secrets that have stood the test of time. Remember, longevity begins with small, consistent habits. And perhaps, just like the doctor, you too could one day celebrate your 97th birthday with a strong heart and a clear mind. Do you believe that 1 small bowl of black beans could be the secret to living nearly a century?